So, I have been watching bushcraft videos. My algorithm knows that I really get off on stuff like that, and it's finally feeding them to me. And I'm watching these men and these women going out into the woods in like New Zealand and shit, okay, with nothing but their bare skin and a knife. and um, and they're building freaking houses and shit and purifying water, and it's just so cool. It's just so cool. Now, I don't have access to that kind of land where I live, but I live in an old building that is 175 years old with 12-foot ceilings, and it's it's like really cold in here. It's brick. And so I'm thinking there's got to be a way that I can, heat this place a little bit in in the flavor, of bushcrafting. So I'm trying to keep my electric bill down and my gas bill down. So I've got the thermostat turned the whole way down. I have no lights on. I'm up in my loft. I don't sleep in a bed anymore. I sleep on the ground on some nice little padding. I'm up as high as I can go because that's where the heat will go. And I'm making syrup out of this sap. And I started to think, you know, there is a lot of heat being wasted. It's just going up as well as the steam. What if I took a small amount of the sap, stuck it in a crock pot, okay, with a little tiny hole in the top, put it on low, stuck it by my bed, got underneath my comforter, there's my down comforter, and here's my kitty, and let's just see if perhaps I get to sleep in like a sauna tonight. So if I wake up throughout the night, I will give you updates, okay? So here we go, Trinity out. Here it is. It's on low, and here is the little hole, and I'll show you how much sap I have in there. It's about almost halfway full. So I think we're gonna be okay. All right. I save on electricity by using my headlamp at night instead of turning lights on. Oh my God, it's so freaking cool. I take my heat with me, I carry it on my body with my wool clothing, and I take my light with me everywhere I go. And this is a little LED thing that I can just charge with my solar powered thing. It's like so freaking great. And I've got my book, my entertainment. So we'll probably wake up around midnight, have to pee, that sort of thing. And we'll check on it at that time. Does your cat do this to you when you're trying to fall asleep? Just woke up. It's midnight. I'm not feeling much heat. So I went ahead and turned it up to high. Well, it's 2 a.m. and Izzy and I, I put the lid down and it's still on high, and we have some boilage. All right, let's see. Oh yeah, there's some definite steam coming off of that. Okay, putting it back on. Time to take a quick pee and let it continue to boil. It looks like we have syrup. This took over 12 hours. A little bit on low, a little bit on high. I slept amazing. I had an amazing dream. And wow, no heat was lost. I was warm. Man, this was a fantastic idea. Izzy agrees. Wow. All right, I guess I gotta get up now. The dream, it was worth the dream. No drugs involved. No hallucinogens, nothing. Just following my spirit and being my honest self. We gotta go see how this syrup turned out. It's a good color. Let's see. Oh my God. Holy schnickerdoodles. I have a lot more sap. I'm gonna stay warm at night. I'm gonna harvest all the heat, and I'm gonna create the most wonderful natural liquid. And maybe I will continue to dream. Thanks for coming on this journey with me. God bless you.